Welcome back to the faculty guide. Today we will see 4 vacancies. The first one is Central Research Institute, Kasuli, advertised for the post of assistant engineers in the Department of Mechanical and Instrumentation. And let's see the website. And this is the advertisement for the post of assistant engineer in the Department of Instrumentation and Mechanical. Let's see the detailed notification. So this is the detailed notification. They are inviting the application for the assistant engineer post in a civil services group B gazetted and non-ministerial at the pay level of 44,900 to 1,42,400. The post required to be filled by deputation from amongst the offices under the central government or the state government or the union territories or the autonomous organizations or universities or public sectors undertakings or semi-government or statutory organizations or recognized research institutions. So you have to work, if you are selected in this job, then you have to work in this any one of the institutions, right? So as we said, we have 2 vacancies, one post in assistant engineer instrumentation and another post in assistant engineer mechanical, right? For detailed advertisements we will see the official website of www.cricksori.nic.in. Here duly completed applications through the proper channel should reach the undersigned within the 60 days of publications of this notice in employment news. Okay, so we have to submit our applications within 60 days. Okay, right? So we'll see the detailed notifications, let's see the detailed advertisement notice. So this is, here we are having 2 vacancies, assistant engineer in the instrumentation. So essential qualification, you have to complete your bachelor degree in instrumentation engineering. So if you have these selected desirable skills, it will be an added advantage. So if you have 1 month experience of human machine interface and supervisory control and data acquisition software, along with experience in current good manufacturing practices, regulations and guidelines, with the ability to prepare and maintain the required documentation, then it will be an added advantage. And also if you want to have a diploma in basic computer case including MS Word and spreadsheets. Okay, so this will be desirable skills you want to have. Okay, then assistant engineer in the Department of Mechanical Engineering. So as I said, the essential qualification, you have to complete your BTech or bachelor degree in mechanical engineering approved by All India AICTE. If you have 2 years of experience in the maintenance, right? Okay, then you want to have 2 years of experience in the maintenance of mechanical, heating and ventilation and air conditioning or refrigeration of equipment, right, from a government institute or a government recognized institute. Desirable qualities, if you have a certificate in a diploma in basic computer course and able to work in MS Word and spreadsheets. Okay, so duly filled applications should have to be submitted through the proper channel within the 60 days of advertisement. So here this is the data you want to fill. So you want to fill all these data. So you can get these applications from the description, and also you will get this application from the official website. Okay, let's see the next recruitment. The Central Institute of Fisheries and Nautical and Engineering Training is released the vacancy notifications in the post of donor, and it is reserved for OBC on a direct recruitment basis in the pay level of 2, that is pay matrix is 2, and you will get a pay band of 5,200 to 20,200 plus grade pay of 1,900. Okay, so this comes under group C, non-gazetted and non-ministerial post. So the initial place of posting will be at Chennai, Tamil Nadu, then you can shift on to the any other place. And the desirable qualities, you want to have that you did not exceed 27 years age. Okay, then it is relaxable for government servants up to 5 years in accordance with the order or instruction issued by the central government. Okay, the qualification required for the post is National Certificate for Vocational Training or Industrial Training Institute or Industrial Training center trade certificate in toner with 1 year experience in machine shop or mechanical workshop as toner or machinist. Okay, so age relaxation shall be admissible as per the order of Government of India, amended from time to time. So the application format here, you want to have a plain paper neatly in a type written showing the details of name of the post and advertisement number and name of the candidate and father's name, date of birth, age, nationality, category, educational qualification, experiences and address. So you want to fill these details from neat paper by typewriting and affixing the recent passport size photograph along with attested copies of certificates. You have to send this certificate to the Director, Central Research Institute of Fisheries, Nautical and Engineering Training and Foreshore Road and Kochi 16. So this application has to reach within 30 days from the date of publication of advertisement. Okay, let's see the next vacancy. The Anna University are inviting the application for the post of non-teaching vacancies, and here you can see the detailed notification. The Anna University are inviting the application from eligible and interested and suitable candidates for various non-teaching posts on daily wage basis for Anna University. So the applicant should have the following qualifications. So they are giving the post details, and we will have 3 posts here. The professional assistant 2, the number of vacancies is 6. So the qualification MCA, MBA, MCom or MSc and preferably MCom degree. Salary per day is ₹713. In clerical assistant we have 13 vacancies and any degree in arts and science with computer knowledge, and salary per day is 448, and peon 6 vacancies, qualification 8th standard pass and salary per day is 391. So the duly filled applications sent with all the necessary certificates and following address on before 19/9/2020 5 p.m. The address is registered Anna University, Chennai 6,25,000. To subscribe the envelope as application for the post of whatever you want. So from these 3 posts you have to subscribe that professional assistant or clerical assistant or peon. Okay, so this is the application format. You have to fill an application and you have to send this before 19/9/2020 5 p.m. Okay. Next vacancy is Sri Venkateswara College of Engineering and Technology inviting the application for the post of assistant professor in the Department of English, Physics, Chemistry and Mathematics. So the Sri Venkateswara College of Engineering and Technology is an autonomous institution, is placed in Chittoor. So the required qualification for the assistant professor post is MSc, MPhil or PhD. So the salary expectation they are giving as per AICT and UGC norms. And apply mode, you have to apply through email or you can go directly to the walk-in, and walk-in date is 16th September 2020. So the interested and eligible candidates may send your resume to the following email address. So I will give the email address in the description, and the email address is info@svcetedu.org. So I will also give you address in the description. You may check it now. So that's it for today, and we will see you tomorrow. Thank you.